Before you begin, remove the display panel assembly and top right bezel. Removal. Using minimal force, lift the locking bar up on the volume button board ZIF connector and disconnect the volume button board ribbon cable from the volume button board. Lift the volume button board off of the alignment pin on the display enclosure and remove. Replacement. Insert the volume button board ribbon cable into the volume button board ZIF connector on the volume button board. And press the locking bar down to lock the cable into place. Place the volume button board into position on the alignment pin on the display enclosure.